What are the best cryptocurrency exchanges? Are you looking to get into investing in cryptocurrency? The first step is finding a trading platform that is right for you. Luckily, there are dozens of cryptocurrency exchanges and brokerages you can choose from. With all these offerings, however, it may be hard to find the right platform to get started with crypto. Each cryptocurrency exchange has its own unique benefits, which we will get into later on in this video. Depending on your needs as an investor, you may want to opt for an exchange with advanced trading features, low fees, sign-up bonuses, or industry-leading security. Continue watching this video to find out where each cryptocurrency platform excels, so you can make an account with an exchange that fits your needs. If you enjoy videos on investments, cryptocurrencies, insurance, finance, loans, and mortgages, you'll love following the Money Trace channel. You can support us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Please also hit the like button if you find this content helpful, so that YouTube will spread our message to more people. Number 4, Bittrex. Bittrex is a U.S.-based exchange founded in 2014 and headquartered in Seattle. It was developed by 3 cybersecurity engineers who placed a great emphasis on security, helping it grow among investors in search of a secure place for their crypto. Bittrex offers a suite of updated features, including an improved user experience, lower fees, and a new referral program. Other benefits of trading crypto on Bittrex include effective and reliable technologies, multistage wallet strategy, quick-loading trading interface with no hanging or lagging, and automated trading features which include stop-loss and instant buy or sell. Although Bittrex recently updated its exchange, it offers minimal customer support and has no option for margin trading. Additionally, user accounts can be suspended without prior notice. Bittrex offers several convenient services to its cryptocurrency traders, including Bittrex Credits promotions. Bittrex credits are airdropped to recipients within 72 hours of a qualifying event. Number 3, Kraken. Established in 2011, Kraken is headquartered in San Francisco. It claims to be one of the largest Bitcoin exchanges in terms of liquidity and euro volume. Kraken offers an advanced crypto trading platform with over-the-counter and margin trading options. Previously, Kraken's unstable platform gave it a bad name. However, the exchange has redeemed itself and updated its services, focusing more on security and customer support. Additionally, its trading fees are very competitive. Kraken offers crypto traders an array of services on its platform, including spot and margin trading for more experienced users. Kraken also offers staking services. Crypto investors can earn a return on crypto assets that would normally be held and used by other investors. Among all the major Bitcoin exchanges, Kraken has some of the lowest fees. Your fees depend on your last 30 days trading volume and are generally based on a maker-taker basis. If you're a maker and add limit orders to the exchange, you pay a lower fee than takers who fulfill existing orders. Currently, Kraken is available worldwide with some exceptions, including Cuba, Iraq, North Korea, and Syria, but restrictions might apply. U.S. traders, except for residents of New York and Washington State, can participate on Kraken's exchange. Number 2, Binance. Launched in China in 2017, Malta-based Binance is among the most popular crypto trading exchanges globally. The word Binance is a mashup of the words binary and finance. Binance also has its spin-off called Binance.us under full US regulatory compliance. Binance allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency, charging 0.1% on trades. You have the option to earn interest on your coins by staking them for a while and earning an interest rate of between 0.5 to 10%. You can purchase crypto using bank deposits, bank transfers, and credit or debit cards, so there are a lot of payment methods to choose from. However, a heavy 4.5% fee is charged on debit card purchases. For security measures, Binance has an asset fund as insurance in case user funds are stolen and a two-factor authentication system, although reviews have reported glitches with the authentication system. Nonetheless, there are hundreds of coins available on Binance, so you've got a ton of options if you're looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other coins. Here at Money Trace, we've already done the heavy lifting and researched the best cryptocurrency exchange for you. You can click right now on the description link below and get the best quotes. Just don't forget to come back for more important tips. Number 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges around. It was founded in the US in 2012. The service is available in more than 100 countries and has more than 89 million users worldwide. Users can buy and sell Bitcoin using their bank accounts, credit cards, and debit cards. You can also use the platform to trade USD Coin, which is a Coinbase-built stablecoin. Customers report that rates are on par with other exchanges, but according to the Better Business Bureau, Coinbase Pro's customer service leaves a lot to be desired. Coinbase's main offering is a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. The exchange has a relatively good reputation and marketing strategy and a user-friendly interface. Coinbase offers independent Android and iOS mobile wallets. Coinbase Pro offers more advanced features such as multiple wallets, open order tracking, and real-time market reports. The wallets store an investor's private keys on their mobile device, and only the user has access to the crypto funds. You can instantaneously transfer funds between your linked Coinbase account and Coinbase Pro account for free using your same login credentials. Each account has a separate wallet. Overall, Coinbase is best for traders of all levels looking for a simple yet secure way to exchange a wide variety of crypto. What are the best crypto exchanges in 2022? The best crypto exchanges need to have a little bit of every positive thing around various crypto exchanges. All the reviewed crypto exchanges have their unique attributes. However, Binance just edges the rest with its all-around features. With more than 100 coins and low fees, Binance is the best crypto exchange all around. Still, if you're a newbie looking to learn the ropes, you can't go wrong with the simple interface of Coinbase. It's perfect for crypto beginners. Whichever website you end up choosing, we hope you find the best cryptocurrency platform for your personal needs. We love to create animated videos to help people like you. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to follow the Money Trace channel. By becoming a part of the Money Trace community, you won't miss our latest videos. One last tip, we've selected 2 other videos that will expand your knowledge even more. Enjoy!